Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2022 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and I'm going to be showing you how to update the two clocks on the car. And by the two clocks I mean the one that's on the infotainment system and the one that's actually on the climate control as well. So typical Toyota, these are not synchronized. So by synchronized I mean you update one and it updates the other, so you do have to update them individually. Now you can match them and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So first off I'll show you how to adjust the one on the main infotainment screen. So there's a couple of ways you can get to the menu. The first one, you actually press the menu there and you can just see set up there, or if you're just on the home screen, most of the time you can actually just tap the time and it takes you to the same menu. So the top one there is actually your time zone, so you give that a tap and you can do your time zone. We are Eastern Australian time, so that just remains the same. And then at the moment it's not daylight saving, so that's off. And then you can actually auto adjust by GPS, which is what this is set up for at the moment. But if you actually like to maybe have your clock a little bit fast or slow, you can actually just tap that and just adjust it so that it's adjusted to whatever time you want it to be. And then you can just move it forward and back using these two plus or minuses there for the hours and here for the minutes as well. We can also show it in both 24-hour format and 12-hour format. So this is the bit where I'm going to show you how to update this clock here. So as you can see, this is currently 4 minutes behind, and you've got hours, minutes, and then you've got 00 there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and move this to 59, so that's actually matched. But if you actually wanted it to be perfectly synced, what you'd do is you'd set this to 1 PM and then you'd actually tap that 00 as soon as that one changed. So that's the best you can do for synchronization. A little bit of a pain, but it is what it is. So there you go, nice easy video for you today. If you found that helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.